What's up guys, it's Hanif here, and this video is for my mobile photo editing users. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys some top 3 photo editing apps for your mobile. What's up guys, before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and also turn on my notifications. I'll be giving out a free preset pack at 500 subscribers. I'm sure you guys like my other preset pack I gave away at 100 subscribers. I'm going to be giving out a free preset pack at 500 subscribers, so you guys should make sure to subscribe to my channel and watch out for that, and also for more photography videos to come. Now let's get into the top 3 photo editing apps that you guys need. The first app I'm going to be introducing you guys to is Snapseed. It's a very easy to use photo editing apps. Like, it has a lot of options here. Let me just import a photo here. Okay guys, so I've imported a photo here, and let me just show you guys some of the features of Snapseed. And it comes with a range of preset filters, as you can see here. But you can try different filters. I know this doesn't work well. I'm just showing you guys an example. You can edit these filters, you can create your own filters from scratch with Snapseed. Apart from that, it also has some very nice tools here to adjust the details. I use this one a lot when I want to edit my mobile, to increase the basic adjustments here like you would have in Lightroom. The brightness, contrast, saturation, ambience, highlights and shadows. It works really great. Like, as you can see, you can use this for your process, like, or if you want to edit a mobile. So it's a really good app. I recommend for anyone that wants to edit from mobile. And it has other features. You can just explore the app, get crazy with it, and see what you can do with Snapseed. It's a really powerful app, and I recommend you guys get that. Next app I'm going to tell you guys about is VSCO. With VSCO, there are lots of things that you can do with VSCO. Like, it's a very powerful app. There are a lot of professional photographers that use VSCO for their editing process. Comes with a bunch of, like, a whole lot of filters in different categories. If you want warm, cool, vibrant look on your photos, you can also do other adjustments such as exposure, contrast. You can crop your photo, you can sharpen it, you can adjust the tones, the highlights and shadows however you want. There are a whole lot of things to do here with VSCO, and a lot of people on Instagram, photographers, they all use this. It comes with a bunch of free filters at first, unless you subscribe to the VSCO package, so you can get more filters and a lot of other features as well. It's a very nice app. I recommend for you guys. The next app I'm going to be introducing to my mobile photography users is the Lightroom mobile app. It's like a really powerful app, I must say. Like, it has I think it has most of the features from the Lightroom app itself, if not all of them, I guess. As you can see guys, there are lots of adjustments here, just like Lightroom for your phone. It works with raw files as well. It focuses on a set of high quality adjustment tools. There are lots of things that you can do here. Like, you would have your crop tool, you can adjust the light adjustment, shadows, whites, blacks, how you want, temperature, white balance. You can create your own presets as well. I'll be giving out Lightroom mobile presets soon, so you guys should watch out for that as well. I'll also be showing you guys how to use some of these photo editing apps. So yeah, like, the Lightroom for mobile is really powerful, and I really recommend that. As you can see, there are lots of presets here already, so they might work very well for your images here. And whatever you want to do, you can just explore the app, go crazy with it. You can get a membership for more features. So that's all of the top 3 photo editing apps I recommend for you guys. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more content like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.